Tired of payment gateways that feel like rocket science? Let's demystify Stripe and get you accepting payments like a pro in under 2 minutes. First, head over to Stripe.com and click on Start Now or Sign Up. You'll need to provide your email, full name, and create a secure password. Make sure to verify your email address after signing up. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Stripe dashboard. This is your central command center to get started with integrating Stripe. Navigate to the Developers section. Here, you'll find your API keys. You'll have a publishable key, which is safe to use in client-side code, and a secret key, which should be kept confidential and only used on your server. Click Reveal Secret Key and store it securely. Remember, never expose your secret key in client-side code. Stripe offers several ways to integrate. For simple websites, use pre-built checkout pages. For more customization, use Stripe Elements, which provides pre-built UI components, and for full control, you can directly use the Stripe API. Now, regarding payment processing, when a customer enters their card details, Stripe securely processes the transaction. It handles everything from fraud prevention to currency conversion. You'll then receive a notification in your dashboard and, depending on your integration, your application will be notified too. Explore the Stripe dashboard. It gives you insights into your transactions, customers, and payouts. You can track your revenue, identify trends, and manage refunds all in one place, and that's it. You've officially started with Stripe.